the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. Hey guys, this is Crypto Meow Analysis, the #1 Dogelon Mars content creator on YouTube, self-proclaimed. I will relinquish the title if it ends up dropping below 701, but until then, I will claim to, that throne and be known as the #1 Dogelon Mars content creator on YouTube. There we go. That's how I should start my Dogelon Mars videos. Anyway, let's get right into it. Nothing exciting, nothing new. A little bit of hopium here. From this low to the high, you can see we did bounce on the 382, so that is pretty bullish. However, from this high to the low, we are still not over the 382. So once we break the 382, I'm really hoping that this thing just gets up on out of here. For whatever reason, if it gets stuck, then as long as it stays over 17, then you could expect some sort of consolidation followed by a move up. And if it goes down, then we already know where it's going. So it's not pretty. On the macro perspective, this also does coincide with the macro 236, which is around 20. So it's not too far off. So this is a very strong resistance area. Once this thing breaks and maybe comes back down and tags it as support, retests it, then we can hopefully continue up and start our Dogelon Mars bull run. Clearly, you can see that I still have my coins. I did not sell out on you guys, but just remember that I definitely do plan on selling, and I think everybody should play it smart. Keep in mind that we are all investors, and we are all obviously you have to have a game plan, right? So I'm telling you right now, once this thing runs, once this thing goes past this level, this level, and then anywhere between this level and this level, these are all my selling points. And I think that's fair, right? I think that, if I manage to, if I manage to hold, what is it? I think it was like 10 or 20 billion. No, I have a spreadsheet that actually breaks this down, but I think it's like 15 billion. Because again, I don't want to really, what am I trying to say? I don't want to really, you don't want to sell everything at once, right? Especially if you believe in the coin. So me personally, I believe in the coin, but I have a game plan, right? So that's my game plan. I think that everybody should have a game plan, and you should definitely know when to get out. Personally, I think this thing is going to 4 zeros too, and if not higher. So I'm never gonna sell all my Dogelon Mars, even if it doesn't, right? Even let's just say it goes like here and never tags it. That position is probably going to get absolutely wrecked because it's going to bleed for the next 2 to 3 years like this. And I already accepted that. But I accepted that because it's okay, because I sold here, here, and here, right? Previous all-time high, obviously no brainer. Below the all-time high in case we don't make it. And then here just to get my money back, right? So, and the reason why I did that is because my original game plan with XLM back in the day was... and before I sold out early, was to sell over the previous all-time high, and you can see clearly it never tagged it. So that's always been my fear. And remember, guys, I sold here. I sold when we dumped, and then when we came back up, I was like, oh, I'm out, and I literally missed out on 11x or whatever, which is a lot of money. It was like 12 grand, so that would have been like 160K or something like that. So that's a lot of money. But anyway, so that's why I have that game plan with ELON, because it's like, okay, well, the 0.5, it looks like it gets tagged. 786 gets tagged. All-time high, even if it doesn't hit all-time high with Dogelon Mars, which I really do, not financial advice or whatever, but with everything that they're doing, it's literally a no-brainer for me. I really do think that it's going to go past its all-time high. I think we are listed on tons of exchanges. We're listed on, 23 exchanges, centralized exchanges. The volume's not quite there, but Crypto.com is the #1 holder. They have a stadium. It's just, They're coming out with the metaverse. Like for everybody that knows. They just like fix their like dead projects don't come back and after 3 years and fix their a website. Dead projects don't come back after 3 years and buy out Methuselah Foundation's coins to try to also build out the community and build utility for a coin. This is a sick coin. This coin has a lot of history. This coin was shouted out by Vitalik Buterin, so like it's just literally a no-brainer in my opinion. Also, keep in mind, from last bull run, I am somebody that came from Shiba Inu. But before you guys are like, oh my god, you made a lot of money on this. I actually got in before it got listed on Coinbase. And before you guys are like, I made a lot of money, I actually gave it all back with OXT. So like, again, not financial advice, but I've been around for like 5 years, and there are definitely more people out there that have been around for longer than me. So just FYI, I hope you take what I'm saying and you kind of relate instead of me telling you what to do, right? Because everybody has to make the choice themselves. So I hope you can relate to my stories because yeah, I mean this literally happened to me. So I bought it on. I remember me and my coworker, we bought Shiba Inu on Crypto.com when it was in the fives, and then it went up here when it got listed on Coinbase. I think I put in 4K, and what is this like? Yeah, 3x. I sold it when all I know is that I sold it at 17, so I made like 12K, like profit wise 12K. I was like, oh my gosh, like this is great. This is great, and it literally went all the way back up. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because this all plays into like having a plan. I didn't have a plan. I literally could have that would have been, I think I would have cashed out like 60K off of 4K. So and now looking back, I'm like, wow, I really didn't have a plan. I didn't know when to sell. Same with XLM, but XLM I sold early. So again, that's why it's like it's so important to have a plan. So if there's anything you take out of this, just have a plan, and don't over commit and over invest, because if you do, if all your money's in here, like mine was with XLM back in the day, I'm always looking at my phone. I'm always stressed. If the market goes on 5%, that's all my money. I don't have any. So just play it smart, and just keep a level head. Anyway, I hope that all made sense. Price is really not going anywhere, so I have to find something else to talk about. So might as well talk about having a plan, right? So lesson of the day: have a plan. All right, let's get right into the Etherscan, and let's look at the Binance Bank token wallet. No, still no in transactions. Only like 30 days ago, 40 days ago. And look at this. Crypto.com, literally 35 million, 9.4 million. There's even another one here somewhere, like the Crypto.com, whatever, another wallet that I don't know. But let's look at the no dead wallets. Nope, still the $18 or the $19 I sent. That's now 18. So yeah. So no new news, no new crazy developments here. But if you stayed for the entire video, I'm gonna obviously do a giveaway because I'm not gonna burn next month. I'd rather just give somebody Dogelon Mars, but I'm not really sure how it's gonna work because I need you to send me your wallet so I could do exactly what I did last time, which is transfer send to like exactly how I did it to the burn wallet. But you guys should, whoever wins just probably needs to copy and paste their wallet. I don't think nobody can do anything with that because literally the my wallet address is on here, right? Because it shows like look at because I burned coins, right? And I copy and pasted this address. So in case anybody's like, oh my god, like I'm a scammer or whatever, I think this is my wallet, right? Because this is where I transferred from. Oh, you know what? It's actually in a giant wallet in Gemini. So never mind. But I think you can still look. I think you go to transfer, receive crypto, and then this is the no, receive crypto. Elon. I confirm. Yeah, this is it. So this is what I need, is this address, and then I can send you guys the Elon giveaway that I'm doing. So anyway, instead of burning coins, I'm gonna do that. I don't know how much I'm gonna do, and I don't think I'm gonna make it a month long, because like I highly doubt people's attention span can last a month yet alone. Like if you guys are actually watching this entire video, so we're gonna probably do like a week. I'll make a video on Sunday. I'll probably do it in 2 Sundays from now, and then I'll just say, hey, like, like, comment, like a cat, and then like, a cat picture or whatever. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Just do something, and then you win 100, 200, 300 million Dogelon Mars, whatever it's gonna be at that point. So and then we'll just take it from there. Honestly, if it gains traction, if it gains a lot of attention, then I'll just keep doing it. I think the community will definitely like that, and that will attract more attention towards Dogelon Mars. So just something fun to do. Anyway, that's all for tonight. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I will catch you guys in the next video.